My name is David Koenig. I'm the President and Chief Executive Officer of the DCRO Institute. The DCRO Institute is a collaboration among board members and C-suite executives around the world, and we're focused on helping organizations to achieve their goals better through a better governance of risk-taking. Well, I think the answer is that we're always trying to frame things in a manner that aligns with what their focus is. Now, board members also have oversight responsibility. That's a certain part, or certainly an important part of their duty of care. So when we talk to them, we need to be ensuring that they understand we have the infrastructure in place to respond to things that we didn't expect, but that our primary focus is on helping the organization to achieve even greater successes than we might expect. So in many ways, I call this reshaping the distribution of the future. How is it that when you engage a board member, you show them that the risk function helps the organization to be more likely to achieve its goals? And when you talk to them, how do you show them that the infrastructure is in place so that you can respond quickly and effectively to things that you didn't expect, particularly things that are going in a direction that the organization doesn't benefit from? And I think it's also important to remember that most board members you deal with do not have a technical background in risk management. So pre-screen what you're saying to them. If you're doing a presentation to the board, consider running your presentation by somebody who also doesn't have a technical background in risk management. I've heard people say that they've run their presentations by the head of human capital, or they've run them by the company secretary, and ask them then to tell back to the risk manager what it was that they heard, so that you can ensure the message you're trying to deliver about what can sometimes be a technical subject is conveyed in a way that is received by somebody who's focused on non-technical work in risk, and that's risk-taking again in pursuit of these strategic objectives. I think you'll benefit quite a bit if you try to put yourself in the mindset of the recipient of your message as opposed to the deliverer of the message.